Hello and welcome back. My name is Vanessa from Wild Bushcraft. Today I have again a self-sufficiency video for you. In my last self-sufficiency video I told you that most of my plants are damaged or rotten away because of the continuous rain that we have this year. Most of my plants are rotten and the other part is eaten from the snails. So at my vegetable garden is not much left. Then I said, okay, yeah, this part of the harvest is away, but I have the fruit trees almost where I can harvest some apples and all the other fruits. Yeah, till the storm comes. I never know in summer like this where we had so much rain, continuous rain, no week with sunshine, complete sunshine. Every 2 days there was rain. And I can't remember in summer like this. And after the rain, the storm comes. We had 2 storms, really heavy storms. Normally when a storm comes, you know it before. The mosquitoes are much deeper. All the insects are deeper at the ground. Then light storm, light air come and you feel it and you can say, ah, okay, close, the storm is there. But these 2 times the storm was so fast. You can see the dark part at the air, at the heaven, and 5 minutes later the storm was there, and it was so heavy. It had so much damage at my home, and a part of this was damaged are my fruit trees. I have here several fruit trees in my 2 gardens, and yeah, some of them are broken, some of them lost big branches with roots, and other, like this apple tree here, lost more than a half from their fruits. So yeah, here's not so much left. What you can see here at the ground is one of my favorite apples, because this apple here can hold through the complete winter. I have this kind of apples often in March, May, and they are good because I have them in my cellar. So, and from this apple tree there are so many apples at the ground now. You can see it here, the ground is covered with apples. Of course, it is a normal process that apples fall down during the growth time. So when there are worms inside, or when it is too much, when there are too much apples at the tree, when they are too high weight, the tree let them fall down. But what is laying here is not normal. So I can make 2 different things now. The one is let the sheep here at the meadow and they should eat the apples. Of course this would be a good way. But yeah, I'm pretty sad that I can't use them. So maybe I make a 50-50 choice, 50% for the sheep and the other 50% for me. I can make chives or pie or something like that. Okay, they are a little bit sour actually because they are not ready, but when I put a little bit more sugar over them, I hope they are edible without so much pain. Can you remember my video about the hot tent, about the sauna tent? I use it over the winter months as a hot tent. So, and this here is the tent. There is nothing left. It is completely damaged. All the sides are damaged. I use it in the winter and the summer months with my children because we sleep often here at the meadow and enjoy this a lot. But now it is completely damaged and I can put it in the trash. So pretty sad. I thought I can use it for the next winter too. Of course, I know I can't let a tent complete build up over several years. Not this kind of tent, because the sun damaged everything outside. So the color is complete out. But I thought I can use it in the next month and the next winter. Yeah, but this is just a dream. I can put it complete in the trash. This here was also a manson tree. It was one because now it is completely damaged. It is fallen down through the storm, and the roofs are, half of the roofs are outside, so I can't do anything for this tree. Of course, when I would have big machines, I could try to put it up again and fix it around, because one half of the roofs is still in the earth. But I don't have such machines, so I can do nothing as use the motor saw and cut it complete away. This is pretty sad, because here in the garden are so much really old fruit trees, and I still want to have them. Some of them doesn't have so much fruit anymore, but I like old trees, so I still have them here. And yeah, the only thing that makes me happy when I saw this tree away is that the wood inside is really beautiful. So you don't have to buy wood from the jungle. You also have beautiful colored wood in your hometown, in your country. And here by me, this is one of them, because it is like walnut tree and it has two different colors inside. So the middle is complete dark brown and the wood around is in lighter brown. So two different colors, and this is really beautiful, and maybe I can build something nice with them, with those branches and yeah, the complete tree. Here I had to cut away another big branch. So this is really sad, because there is no tree which is not damaged, which had all the fruits still on top or lost on branch. Every tree had something. This here is one of the old trees, so it has really small apples, but I still want to have this tree here, because this is the living area for different animals, and I love old trees. While the storm, these two branches from the mansion broke down. The fruits are soon ready, so I can use them, but which is more bad for me is that this vine branch also fall down, and I hope I can put those two away, that I can let the vine grow a little bit longer, because now it is not ready. Only this here already. I don't have many pears this year. This is the only tree where are fruits left. All the other trees had fruits, but they are fallen down without any reason, so I don't know why. I had to saw away the tree, so helmet on, make the saw ready, and then I start. To go to the other side because I had to cut away the branches, and I cut like this that I can use the branches later, because I want to use the wood later. cut away the small branches because these are for the sheep, and the bigger branches are for me because I want to build something with them. I wasn't ready yesterday, so I had to finish the work today. And at first I want to make away this tent because I can't see it anymore. Eika. The first mission is finished. The tent is complete away. All the trays are covered. Of course, there is now the naked earth, but the grass will grow again. And now I had to finish this fruit tree. Maika, du hast deine Lauscher aufsperren. Was hast du Neues? Bist jetzt K.O.? Hast du ausgesponnen? Wow, in this cut-safe trousers it is so hot, but without the special trousers I wouldn't work with a Motorsaw because it is too dangerous. So this here is one big branch from the plum tree and the complete plum tree, and now I had two massive plum branches left from another tree, so work isn't over. I left these branches here in the meadow because the sheep would eat the leaves away, and later I put it on one point like this here, because inside there can live some different animals, so it has yeah, the animals need it too. I had to cut the nettles away, otherwise they would need too much space at the meadow. Where nettles are growing, there is nothing else, only nettles. So I had to cut them away from time to time. In my last video, some people write me why I cut the nettles away, because nettles are an important plant. This is right. I make several things out of the nettles. You can eat them, the leaves and the seeds, and you can use it in the vegetable garden, because nettles will let your plants grow bigger and faster. And of course some butterflies also need this, because they lay their egg on this plant. So some nettles can still growing here, but not all. This here is the last work that I had to do at my self-sufficiency farm for today. Today it is a real never-ending story, because I see everywhere work. So normally I would have a holiday this week, but with the storm, with the damage from the storm, I can't drive away, so I had to quit my holiday. At first I had to make all the storm damage away, and then I had the normal work here at the farm, so I had to clean the barns, and then I want to make hay, so cut the meadow, because actually we have sunshine days, and I always need such days to work, but for today it is enough. I try to cut away the other half of the branches, but it is unsafe to walk on the tree like this, because my leader is too long and it isn't safe to work like this. So I had to bring the tool from my forest cabin. And here at the ground there are so many plums. I collect some, but most of them are finally rotten. And also my wine. I can't save all, because it is too strong into the branches from the plum tree, so I had to cut a lot away. So my sheep are happy now, but I am not. So I'm done for today. I just need a shower now and then nothing. So I had a lot of work before I can go into the holiday, but I'm so happy for the holiday. Just 1 week doing nothing, just relax, enjoy wonderful nature, and of course you can see a little bit from my holiday. So we see us in the next video. Have a great time. Bye bye.